Hello, this is a little video for lesson 2.3. It's over the first type of question about scaling. And some of these interpretations are a little bit difficult. They change it up every time you retake it, so it's not always the same answer. And so we have to really kind of think deeply about it. So given these two graphs, you can see that the bottom is the years, and those are on the same scale from 2017 to 2023. It's the same data in both, but it looks like the vertical scale is different. So on the graph A, they start their first data point on the scaling at 30, probably it's about 36 and a half or something. Now on graph B, they started at 0. Graph B is the way that you should graph. You should always start at 0, 0. Otherwise, your scaling is showing more drama than it should, okay? So A says give a rough estimate of the change in yearly passenger traffic. So if I went from 2017 at about 37 or so, and at 23, I'm about at 40, there's a difference of 3. This is in thousands, so that would be 3,000 passengers difference, which is about 10% of 37. So it increased by about 10%. Question B says, approximate to the nearest whole number in thousands, the change in the yearly passenger traffic from 2017 to 2023. We said that was about 3,000. Then letter C says, which of the two graphs is more likely to be misleading? Why? So without looking at the answers, you should ask yourself, which one looks misleading? The one that doesn't have a scaling at 0, 0 is going to be the one that's misleading. So that's graph A. And the reason it's misleading is because it's looking like there's bigger differences than what there really is. When you look at the correct graph on graph B, it looks like there aren't as many differences. So that is choice B. It says in graph A, the baseline is at 36 instead of 0, which exaggerates the differences between the numbers of passengers. In graph B, the baseline is at 0, so the points are at heights of the same relative size as the actual number of passengers. Therefore, graph A could mislead a person into thinking that the increase in the number of passengers between 2017 and 2023 was larger than it really was. If you're still struggling, catch me back. We can Zoom together while you actually do the problem on ALEKS. You can share your screen and I can help you. Have a blessed day.